Most people don't stay broke because they earn too little. They stay broke because of invisible money habits that quietly destroy their finances every single month. If you're working hard but still struggling to save, invest, or get ahead, this video is for you. Let's expose the 5 money habits that are secretly keeping you broke without you even realizing it. Habit number 1: living without a real budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. Most people think they have a budget, but they're really just guessing their spending. Small daily purchases, subscriptions, takeaways, and impulse buys slowly drain your income. A simple fix: track every expense for 30 days. Create 3 categories: needs, wants, savings. Pay yourself first, even if it's just 5%. A budget isn't restriction, it's control. Habit number 2: relying on credit for lifestyle spending. Using credit cards or loans for clothes, gadgets, food, or entertainment keeps you trapped in debt cycles. Interest quietly eats your future income. Minimum payments keep you paying forever, and emergencies become impossible to handle. A smarter move: use credit only for assets or emergencies. Pay more than the minimum whenever possible. Avoid emotional spending on borrowed money. Habit number 3: impulse spending and emotional buying. Many people spend money when they are stressed, bored, or trying to impress others. Sales tricks, social media pressure, and lifestyle comparison create fake urgency. Before buying anything, ask, do I need this? Will this improve my future? Can I wait 24 hours? Delayed decisions save thousands over time. Habit number 4: saving without investing. Saving alone doesn't build wealth. Inflation slowly destroys your purchasing power. If your money only sits in a bank account, you're falling behind. Start learning about index funds, ETFs, retirement investments, compound growth. Even small monthly investments grow massively over time. Habit number 5: waiting for one day to start. Most people delay financial action. I'll start when I earn more. I'll invest later. I'll fix my debt next year. But time is your most powerful wealth tool. Small actions today beat perfect plans tomorrow. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe to Money IQ Academy for weekly money strategies, investing tips, and wealth building lessons. Comment below, which habit are you breaking first? Your financial future starts now. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe to Money IQ Academy for weekly money strategies, investing tips, and wealth building lessons. Comment below, which habit are you breaking first? Your financial future starts now.